Welcome to the Foxware podcast. Okay, today is the 21st of June 2023, and welcome again to the daily log entry on EU. Okay, we're going to be breaking down every price action on the movement today. All right, so that you guys can understand and see what price action did. Also, we'll be showing every entry and every trade we took on EU today. So, without further ado, stay tuned and join me on the chat so they can. You guys, so let me expand this for you guys so you can see clearly. Yeah. Yes. So this white line here shows Tuesday. Um, and we took a trade yesterday and it went into today. We held the trade to today. So I'm going to break it down for you. And I'm going to break down the trades we took also today on the 21st of June. All right. So this is how it went down. There's a sell side liquidity here. That's why you have to know where the liquidity is. If not, you will be the liquidity. So we mark this out. This was the sell side liquidity here. Price took it out. This is the 1 hour chart. So we have to start from the 1 hour chart. Price took it out here with this week. Okay. So we have to break down to the 5 minutes so that you can see it more in details. All right. Now, so you might be thinking, since price has taken out the liquidity here with this, you might want to like, okay, wait for your confirmation and all that. But no, you don't want to see this. You want to see a big move to the downside, like a strong move that takes out the liquidity. Okay, that gives you a more nice way of looking at the market. So once price takes it out like this, now you know, okay, yes, we can now start hunting for our buys. So a very quick, simple one here. I don't want to break down to the 1 minute because it's really clear here. So price took it out. There was a stop on here. Okay, stop on here. Already see that. Then there was a break of structure here to the upside. So stop on break of structure, then this is a fair value gap here. All right. But we just don't jump into the market like that. We always wait for what our confirmations and our confluences. So let me zoom in. So after seeing the stop ons, then break of structure here, this is a fair value gap here. But we're looking at this push to the downside right now. We're looking at this push to the downside to see if the market will give us what we want to see before we can take the buy. Now, this is a dodgy candle. Okay, this is a dodgy candle here. Okay, then price pushed down a little bit low, a little bit more below the dodgy candle. Then this is what a bullish engulfing candle. So after seeing this criteria here, okay, let me circle it out for you guys so you can see. After seeing this criteria here, the dodgy candle, okay, then it pushed the downside a little bit, then the engulfing candle that comes with it next. That was my entry. Okay, this is our entry yesterday. We entered at the what? The 1.09023. So this was our entry. We went in and we put our stop loss below the doji candle. So we held the trade, watching and looking at what the market is going to do and give us. We already know our risk to reward. So now the price went up into today's price action, and we just held the trade, looking at what the price is going to do. Kept going higher and higher, and we were targeting what we were targeting. We're targeting these highs here and a little bit into this fair value gap. This is the liquidity here. This is your liquidity that we're targeting here, and a little bit into this fair value gaps here. So that's why we had this here, and this was a quick 1 to 5. Quick 1 to 5 because this trade happened in late New York. All right. So, sorry about that. So we held the trade and into today's section. Yeah. So this is Asia low, and we also saw this too. We saw that price took out Asia low here. All right, and also took out this liquidity here too. Took out this liquidity here too. And if you want to take another trade, you can. But we already good with this one. We just wanted the price to move to our target, which it did. All right, it did, yeah. So I just once the price moved from this place, moved up a little bit. Let me spread it out so you can see. You can see it got here, got to our target zone, which is the 909293, and we just closed. We closed this trade, and we're good with this one. All right. Then today's price action, we're looking at today's price action here, and in terms of the 1 minute, so that you guys can see what happened clearly on the 1 minute for us to take this trade we took, because we took two trades today and coupled with the one of yesterday. So it was a good one for us today, you know. So today's price action, this was where we closed our yesterday's trade. Then what happened? Price broke down, broke structure, created traps here, liquidity traps. But my co-founder Damian Rose will be breaking down the traps for you guys so that you guys can see and understand everything bit by bit. Okay, in the next video, you guys need to watch that video so you guys can see things and your eyes will be open to what the market does. So we saw these traps here, but we're just reading price action on London section. So we didn't trade London section today at all. We're just reading price action on London sections. We saw everything they were doing, traps here, break traps, another trap here. But you will see it will break all down for you so that you guys can see it. So what we waited for this. Okay, this was a trade that we took. All right. So now this is another trap. Okay, price rallied up, took out the liquidity into what? Into to mitigate this other block here. So this was another trade that we took today. A quick one to, I think, 1 to 8. Yeah, and we used a 2 pip stop loss, and this was the opening of New York section. Okay, so you guys need to understand that you have to know what they are doing and understand when you need to trade. So this was the opening of New York section, and we caught a quick 1 to 7. Yeah, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Caught this one. Okay, and you have to open your eyes to see all these things. All right. So this is another one. This is another trap. This is another liquidity. Yeah. Okay, you guys might be thinking, how are we seeing this liquidity? We know. Okay, we know. That's why you have to keep studying and you have to stay tuned with us so that you guys can see and understand all these things we're trying to show you all for free, honestly, for free. So this is another liquidity here. Price came, took down to this zone. We know there's going to be a reaction here because why? This is another other block here, or you can call it your demand zone. Okay, so price came, mitigated this, gave a break of structure to the upside, break here, came to hit this one, moved to the upside. We know where they're going. They're going for this liquidity here to take out this liquidity. And when we saw them take out the liquidity here, then we just got in on the trade, you know. But sometimes you guys might want to wait for confirmations, but we know what was going to happen. And we just saw that once they took out this liquidity, price was going to go down again. All right. So this was a quick one too. We just took this one and we closed around here. So it was a quick 1 to 4 for us, and this is how we took the trades today. So we took this one here. Sorry, we took this one here. That was the one that we closed this morning. Then we took these two trades during London. So sorry, during New York section. This one here and this one here. And we just closed for the day, but we knew news was coming in, and you will see why we will have taken this too, but my co-founder Damian Rose will explain everything in details on how you guys can understand and hunt for these traps so that you won't be the liquidity. All right. So it was a good one for us today. This was a quick 1 to 4, a quick 1 to 7, and another one from yesterday, a quick 1 to 5, and everything was, I think up to if we do the plus and minus, we're looking at 16 hour. Yes, 16 hour that we caught in one day. So that is just the breakdown on the trades we took today. Amazing one. And you guys need to stay tuned. Watch the next video that we will be posting on our channel. so that you guys can understand all this price action on today, how it went up, how it went down. You guys can catch all these trades, literally all these trades. You guys can catch it because we're going to be breaking down for you. You will see why it went up, why it came down, why it went up again, why it came down. It's just a beautiful thing to see. All right, so stay tuned and watch the next video and subscribe to our channel and also click the notification button so that you don't miss any videos we post. All right, take care. My name is Mena One. Have a lovely one. Peace out.